Hello everyone, and today is a video of me showing off my new sketchbook that I just got from Amazon. I guess you can call this like an unpackaging or unboxing video, but since this came in a package from Amazon, this is really become a sketchbook packaging. This is pretty much a new sketchbook that I just ordered from Amazon. So I'm gonna take it apart right now, and I'm going to review it. Let's see, use that knife. It's kind of hard. This sketchbook was kind of bigger than I thought it would be. I thought this was gonna be a small sketchbook, but this is like, let me see. Let me take it out. Oh, it is a small sketchbook. Nah, this sketchbook is kind of bigger than my Arteza sketchbook. So it's a Fixsmith sketchbook. So yeah, it's got these birds, sketches on it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use this more as I will do my daily sketches and normal sketchbooks. So I'm gonna do like normal sketches in this book in almost every day and stuff. So expect like more like cartoon sketchbook tour videos of this sketchbook in the future. At least when I get a lot more drawings in here. So it's plastic covering it. Oh, jeez. No, be careful with a knife. I mean, it's not really a sharp knife, but it's still like a knife, so you have to be careful. Yep, my Fixsmith sketchbook. It has great pages too. Ooh, I like it. I never had a sketchbook like this with different color pages because usually my sketchbooks I usually order usually has like very clear, very like clear like white pages, but this one has purple, like a slight grayish purple kind of color. I think it's mostly gray. Yeah, looks like a grayish kind of color. I'm going to do some sketches in the sketchbook as well. Some like character sketches, animal sketches, the usual stuff. Maybe some like rare, like I draw cars and stuff as well. Probably just gonna use this to draw more like realistic sketches. I want to like input my art for a little bit, and expect like cartoon sketchbook tour videos on this sketchbook right here. So it's gonna be called the Fixsmith sketchbook. Acid freeze, power bond, premium sketch paper, perfect for most dry media. Which is kind of like what I do since I can show you guys. I usually draw with a pencil, with no pencil. Not like an actual like actual sketch pencil. I just use a normal pencil to usually do most of my sketches. So that should be good. I also use this like never everlasting pencil as well. That should work since this is dry as well. It's mostly dry media. So that should be. I don't know if it's good with my eraser, since the eraser comes in handy. My bigger erasers and stuff. As to the look of the book, it kind of looks similar to my Arteza sketchbook. For those of you who don't know, my Arteza sketchbook was my third sketchbook tour video I did here on YouTube. You guys should check it out. It's called Third Sketchbook Tour Video. Yeah. I guess it's technically the first video that managed to reach 50 views. I mean, it's not the first viral video I ever had, but it pretty much came close. As my early videos, I managed to blow up in views. Especially since my pencil 2D animations usually don't blow up until later on. I do like compilations of it. Like for example, the giant pterosaur and robot animations in like my old flip clip animations they usually explode in views later on as opposed to when I upload them. It's not like an instant hit off the bat. People eventually just go around to watching videos. Yeah. Especially my how to draw videos on certain how to draw videos sometimes explode in views later on. Kind of like my rhinoceros sketchbook tour video. Well, not my rhinoceros beetle how to draw video. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I got it wrong a little bit. So yeah, this is my unpackaging of my new sketchbook. You guys gonna see in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy, and that's it.